If you guys saw my other video, I was at the zoo, and now we're at Coast Station Mall because we're heading to an art exhibit that you can like take photos in and stuff. It's supposed to be really cool. So we're back in Hongdae, and I don't think we've actually ever went into this mall before, or at least I haven't. So this is cool. We're gonna go up to the 4th floor and see if we can find this place, because I honestly, I don't know. We'll figure it out. See ya. Hey y'all, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm Midnight on my Instagram and my TikTok, and my link tree is down below. Thanks for watching. That's one sad but good thing about living here in Korea is that they have so much amazing clothes, but I can't fit any of them. So like, even if I wanted to buy it, I can't. So the temptation is like gone. But like bags, jewelry and stuff, I'm used to not buying it back home. So I could just like, as long as I don't really think too hard. But for the most part, I'm chilling. I don't wear a lot of earrings. I don't wear a lot of jewelry. I'm a pretty casual person. Design skin. Whee! Up the escalator we go. We've made it. It was so hard to find this on Google Maps and on Naver Maps. You don't even understand. Let's do this thing.
Is it this?
Yeah. It smells like perfume in here. Oh, dude, you can get in the boat. You're supposed to smell them or something. Oh, the thing is gonna pop out again. It's coming. It's coming. Is it like water? What the hell is it?
It's bubbles.
Oh.
But like really tiny. It's like silk.
Oh, like tiny. 존나 go follow the river. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Smell like, ooh. Look at all these mirrors. Look at these here. Headache, bro. It's too much. Well, let's sneak in here and see what y'all. Okay, I'm not gonna look, but I'm gonna show y'all what's in here. Okay, I'll look a little bit. So cool. Harry Potter. Slytherin gang. Stop playing with me. Damn it. I be mixing up in the kitchen like it's no business. Ooh. It's the whole change of scenery. You're giving me whiplash. I think this is the end of it. This is the end. Yep. Wow. 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 Okay, time to go bye-bye. Well, guys, if you're in Korea, visit Nature Labs. It's in the mall. If you go to Hongdae and you get off, you know how you get off and there's a mall? It's on floor 4. They have a photo booth. I think I'm gonna take a photos. Beyond money, cars, clothes, weed. Oh, fuck it up. Fuck it up. Get it black. Get it black. Get it black. Get it black. Fuck it up. There's so many cool stuff. That was totally worth it. These are they're just decoration. And you just sit it like this, and that's it.
It's actually
and it's
really
a light.
pretty. I would use it. It's a light.
It's $18. Yeah, it's a light, and then you put that on top.
Oh.
So like, it's $18 though.
It's not bad. I'll probably come back when I buy souvenirs.
Cool. And they also have their own cafe, and I think with your ticket you get like a few dollars off or something like that. But I'm gonna take some photos in the photo booth. Lego. Hey y'all, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm Midnight on my Instagram and my TikTok, and my link tree is down below. Thanks for watching.